Hello designers and crafters. In this video, I want to give you some ideas and prompts for Illustrate AI from designbundles.net. This way, you can make your own cute Christmas and winter illustrations. To use Illustrate AI, you'll need an active subscription. For this video, I'll generate all the images using a digital art style, and I'll create 4 images in total. When you're ready to make your own, just click the Create button. I've prepared a list of Christmas character ideas for you, like Santa Claus or angels. You can also try cute Christmas animals, or even get creative and generate Christmas aliens. Just keep in mind that Illustrate AI has a hard time with hands and objects that are far away. So, you'll get the best results when making portraits where the subject is closer to the camera. Making groups of people and animals, or people who are far away, usually doesn't turn out that well. I've also gotten good results when I used cartoon styles and painting styles like gouache or watercolor. I have another list of Christmas items for you. From my tests, the hardest item to create is the sleigh. Trying to make Santa with a sleigh and reindeer can be really challenging. Lastly, I've got a list of scenes and landscapes for you. My favorites are cozy winter cottages and snowy winter scenes. You can use these as backgrounds for your favorite characters, like a portrait of a cute bunny with a starry winter night in the background. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the art style and prompt I used. On the right, you'll see the images that Illustrate AI generated. So sit back, relax, and enjoy these cute Christmas illustrations for the next few minutes.
Have you been naughty or nice? Like and subscribe.